How long is this rope from this end to this end? I know. Let's use our paw prints to measure it. How many paw prints long is the rope? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The rope is 5 paw prints long.
Let's count the paw prints. Tap them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The rope is as long as 5 paw prints.
Oh, hi there. This is the letter C. This is the lowercase c. The letter C makes the k sound, like in the word cat. The letter C. See you later.
Drag the letter C to the rabbit. Drag the letter C to the rabbit.
Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
Good work! You dragged the letter C to the rabbit. Drag the letter M to the rabbit.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Good work! You dragged the letter M to the rabbit. Put the mail with the letter C in the mail. Good job! Put the hat with the letter T on the hippo.